In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Canon Image Class MF244dw printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, you need to navigate to your Google Chrome. Open it and navigate to the search bar and type for Canon Image Class MF244dw printer driver. And the moment you click on the enter key, you'll be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first one, which has the support image class rather click on it. And it is under the canon.com, which is the official website for this Canon. So all you need to do is you need to navigate here, okay, here on the side, and please scroll down and locate for this drop down menu, and it will automatically take the operating system. However, if not in your case, click on this down arrow key and choose for your Windows 11, and eventually you'd be able to see a result. So please proceed to the second, which is this one, Windows 64-bit, because Windows 11 has 64-bit PC. So there you can see this driver or scan gear. All you need to do is you need to click on this link, and the moment you've clicked on it, you would be navigated to a new tab, and if it will ask you to agree on the license agreement, click on yes so that you can now start the downloading process. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. And once done, please navigate here at the top right corner. You can see the download icon. Navigate to your file, click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click and click on the cat icon to copy it. And you need to close the windows being opened here. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on paste. Okay. So once you have successfully pasted the file here, you need to double tap to unzip or extract the file, or either make a right click and then use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So go with extract to and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would means that we have successfully extracted this one. Okay, so once done, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So by that, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, please navigate to the left pane and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Click on this one. And once you are here, please proceed with printers and scanners. Click on it and you'll get an option called Add Device. So please click on it in order to reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it is being shown, click on this add manually and please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next here, click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port, no other than that. So it could be one, two, or three. Once you've set it, click on next and go with have disk and you need to go with and we need to proceed to the desktop since our extracted file has been placed there. Scroll down here and navigate to the extracted file, double tapped. Proceed to the drivers, double tapped, and Yuki underscore double tapped. Go with 64 since 64, I mean Windows 11 has 64-bit PC, double tapped, MIC double tapped. Just double tapped until you can see the driver. If no items match to your search, go back here. Okay, proceed to this one. And if no items match to your searched here, you just have to close the windows being opened. And then here at the extracted file, double tapped here. And by that, we just have to be navigated to this drivers, double tapped here. Okay. And wait until you would be able to see a result, double tapped. Go with X64, double tapped. Okay. And there you can see the setup, double tapped here. And wait until you'll be able to see a window like this. Go with next. Click on yes to agree on the license agreement. Click on next, turn on the USB connection and now copying driver files. Please wait until this installation would be finished. Okay, so once you are done, you can now use this one as your printer driver. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.